YouTube comments unlock insights from ban monitoring, competitor analysis, and audience sentiment. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scrape YouTube comments using Python. Let's get started. To follow along, you'll need Python and the yt-dlp library. If you don't have Python yet, download it from python.org and follow the installation instructions. To get yt-dlp, open your terminal or command prompt and type this command. Now, let's create a directory for our project. In the same directory, add a new text file and open it. First, we will import the libraries we need. Start by importing the CSV module for saving our data. This library comes pre-installed with Python, so we don't need to install anything extra to use it. Next, import yt-dl from youtube-dlp. This is the main class we'll use for scraping. Specify the video you want to scrape. Copy any YouTube video URL and paste it in as a value. If you're scraping at scale, you'll want to use proxies to avoid IP blocks. Create a variable called proxy and replace username, password, hostname, and port with actual proxy details. You can find those by logging into Decodo dashboard and heading to the residential proxy setup tab. Make sure to choose a rotating session to get the new IP with every request. Now, let's configure the scraping options. The first option is Get Comments. Set this to True to extract comments. Next, set Skip Download to True to prevent downloading the actual video file. To get cleaner output, set Quiet and No Warnings to True. Then add Proxy option and pass our proxy variable. This routes all requests through Decodo's residential proxy network. Next, add Ignore No Format Error and set it to True. This prevents the script from crashing if video format information is unavailable. Now we will pass specific settings to YouTube's extractor. Set Max Comments to All to fetch every available comment. Then set Player Client to Web Safari to mimic Safari browser behavior and avoid detection. Now we create a yt-dl object using a with statement and call extract info to fetch all data. Pass the video URL and set download to false. This returns a dictionary with all video information, including comments. Now we will extract the comment count and comment list. YouTube sometimes varies field names. So for count, we check comment count first, then end comments. For the list, we check comments first, then comment entries. If you don't find them, we'll use default values. Finally, structure scrape data into a CSV file. Create an empty list and loop through each comment to extract the fields we want. With each iteration, a new row is appended. Start with the comment ID, followed by the author's name, author's ID, and the comment itself. Then, get the timestamp showing when the comment was posted and the likes count. Now we save everything to a CSV file called YouTubeComments.csv. We use UTF-8 encoding for special characters. Then we create dict writer, add the column headers, and write all comment rows. These last lines print the number of comments that YouTube reported and how many comments we actually saved. This will let you know that the scraping was successful. Save it as a Python file and run it in your terminal. In a moment, you'll see the number of comments in your terminal and a new CSV file in your directory. That's everything you need to scrape YouTube comments with Python. Want to try it yourself? You can find a complete code below, and if you need proxies for large-scale scraping, try Decodo residential proxies.